Oops. The anthill, little tiny anthills everywhere. I don't know if you can see that. We like our walks, don't we? Yes, we like our walks. There they go. They'll get up there and they'll wait for me again. Yeah, so that's our alpaca walk and goat walk. Not forgetting the goats, but there's only one with me at the moment. Yeah. See you next time.